I am a nature photographer at heart. Most of my work done on the camera focuses on nature. Once in a while, however, you find yourself in a situation when you're out of your element. Over the Christmas break this year, we finally took a trip to New York. New York is known as the city that never sleeps. It is known as the concrete jungle, but it is not famous as the nature capital of the world. In Winnipeg, even though I live in a city, there's an abundance of parks and wildlife all over the place. You would think you live in the country, but the city is all around you. I presumed New York would be no different. When you finally get to New York, you're not thinking of nature. You're overwhelmed by the amount of people, the activity, the noise. There is so much going on. As a photographer, you will naturally take pictures of it. But as a nature photographer, when you see it, you're naturally drawn to it. I am happy to say that New York is no different than Winnipeg. There's an abundance of parks and nature there too. The most famous place is Central Park. If you look at the map, it's the huge green square in the middle of the city. Central Park is a great place for photography. I would love to come back and see it in the summer or fall. But even without all the leaves, and even with gray skies and rain, Central Park is a great place to take pictures in New York. There are many other parks scattered around the city, but one that we found really interesting was Highline Park. This park is built up in the sky on an old subway track. The track is the park and trail. It's like nature in the sky. If you go to New York, you will want to check it out. Last are the parks along the edges of the city. These are the best. Not only is there abundance of nature along them, the city skyline gives you colorful backgrounds. You get some amazing city/nature shots. The two go really well together. Well, that's it for this video, just highlighting the nature in New York. Have fun and keep shooting.